Alright guys, so here we're going to show you in this little bit of the video, we've shown you how to insert and remove the battery. You guys, I'm not sure if you guys got to see take a good look at the battery itself. There's a QR code on it too, so I guess Ricoh, since it's Ricoh, you can buy the replacement battery directly from the company, and that's always a good thing. I always look inside and make sure that these metal bits are matching. So if it's like this, it's going to be wrong. And make sure that those metal bits are, in this case, on the left side. When you stick the battery in, see, it just goes in, pops in, and fits just the way you want it to. Remember this, always push it all the way down. Do not try to tilt it or bend it or whatever, because you will snap this little connector there. Anyway, this is pretty cool, It turns on with just
Likey.